Hello, it's Debbie. Welcome back. This is another Fit Food review. And I tried these. They were all marked down at Kroger. Slimfast Keto Meal Shake. Clean your prune, lose weight, and keep it off. I just tried it. 2 net carbs, 14 pure MCT oil. This is the creamy milk chocolate, naturally and artificially flavored meal replacement. So this was good. Keto's, come back in the scene. It was big years ago, but then it came back on the scene. And mostly Atkins, they're the OGs in keto. But Slim Fast, they want to get on that train, get those dollars. Can't blame them. Because I tried the keto snacks and the candy. Some of the candy, if you had peanuts, I gave it to my boss. She's into this keto stuff. So this was really good. It was delicious. No aftertaste whatsoever. It was good. And I had them, for breakfast. 180 calories. Here's the information. Check that out. And the ingredients and everything. So yeah, I definitely recommend this. It's a good meal replacement, on the go. On the go. I know that Wayne Beatty troll is going to say, oh, that's processed. Oh, you should use natural foods. Of course, I use natural foods. You troll. Of course, I use natural foods, but this processed things are good for on the go. Silly, you must not be on the go, Rain Brady too. So this is when you're on the go, need something quick, and put in the refrigerator, take it out, have it for a quick meal, take it to work or school, whatever, and just have a quick meal replacement when you're, so busy for busy people. And just one meal you don't have to physically prepare. So, just help people out. Don't, have this once a day. I wouldn't recommend it twice a day, but just once a day. Not going to hurt anything, and it has a bunch of good nutrition. So definitely recommend these. Get them on sale, whatever. So thank you so much for watching, and y'all have a good day.